Let's define what similar and congruent triangles are. Knowing these two types of triangles might help you during the test. And let's cut to the chase. So congruent triangles are two triangles that are exactly the same. And what that means is that all the angles and all the sides are exactly the same. So the white triangle equals to the purple triangle. It has the same sides of 7, 8, and 10, and the same angles of 53, 83, and 44. So if we're told that the two triangles are congruent, we can assume that they both have the same sides. Similar triangles are a little different. They have the same angles, but they don't have the same sides. However, there is some proportionality. So every side is proportionally smaller to the corresponding side. So if you look at the triangles green and white, they are similar triangles. They have the same angles, but their sides are proportionally smaller. So 3.5 is half of 7, 5 is half of 10, and the side of 4 is half of 8. So every side is proportionately smaller than those sides of the larger triangle. So this is the proportionality is something that you can assume about the two similar triangles. And this information will come useful during the test. Let's demonstrate how we can take advantage of this knowledge. Let's assume we're provided two triangles and all the sides for one are offered to us, and we are also informed that the smaller green triangle is similar to the white triangle. Knowing that the two triangles are similar, we can automatically assume that all angles are the same for the two triangles. The problem might offer us only one side of the smaller green triangle and rely on our understanding of the properties of similar triangles. And they would be right. We should be able to derive the length of the remaining two sides, knowing the fact that the two triangles are similar and that one of the sides of the similar smaller triangle is, for example, 3.5. And the reason we can solve for other sides relies on knowledge that sides of the two triangles, on the basis of them being similar, are proportional. So we'll find the corresponding side of the larger triangle for the one side that we're provided, 3.5. And in our case, it would be the side that is 7. And we know that this is the corresponding side because both 3.5 and 7 lie against the same angle. So because the two triangles are similar, all the angles are the same, and the angle across 3.5 is the same as the angle across 7. So noticing that the proportionality between these two sides is 2, so the green triangle is half of the larger one, or in other way, we can look at it as the white triangle having the dimensions that are twice the size of the sides of the green triangle. We can calculate the other sides. So the corresponding side for 10 is the longest side on the green triangle, and it should equal 5 because it is half of 10. Or as we know, the white triangle sides are twice the size of the green triangle. So if it's 10, then the green one should be 5. And using the same method, the final side for the one that lies on the bottom, corresponding side to the side of the white triangle with a length of 8 would be 4. So with this understanding of simple properties of similar triangles, the fact that all the angles are the same and the sides are proportional, we can actually do some powerful operations.